Hey guys, today I have a quick video for you. I'll be unboxing and reviewing this Glade Plugin Plus. This is a free sample from Amazon. It comes with one warmer and one refill. I started to open the box early and I thought, let me do a video and we can open it together. So I haven't taken it out, so let's do that now. Okay, so Glade Plugins Plus. This is exotic tropical blossoms. This is the most energy efficient warmer designed with smart light technology. Has a low refilled warning and auto off. So let's see. Oh, it smells nice, very nice. Has a refill indicator light, and on here has two modes, 24 hours or on for 16 hours, so 8 hours rest mode. This is compatible with all Glade plugin refills. That's pretty neat. So let's put it together. I think I spilled it earlier. The refill indicator light will turn from white to blue once the refill is low, and once the refill is empty, then the warmer and the light will automatically turn off. The fragrance of this is very nice. It's not too strong. I may turn on the 8-hour rest period just because I plan to keep it in a small space and I don't want it to be too overpowering. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.